Sir, see this. This is the first channel, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many you have to connect? How many ports are there and how many you need to connect? You connect like serial wise, like I told. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay. And this is SMPS. Sir. This is SMPS. So here it is positive, here it is negative, here it is neutral line and ground. Okay. So this neutral line you connect to AC here. Okay. All three however it is connected, you connect that, and then three line get it from positive and three line get it from negative. Okay. So in the first like two wires, one wire from positive, one wire from negative, the first two wire it will come, and the positive you need to connect here 15 volt, and the negative you need to connect in ground. Okay. In the same way here also, from the second wire whatever is coming from here, the second wire from positive and second from negative, you connect here positive here and negative here, and in the same way third one, positive 15 volt positive here and negative here to the ground. Okay. And then you need to connect the sensor, and sensor will be connected like black will come to this side. Okay, black will come to this side, white will come into the middle. Okay, and red will come this side. Okay. In the same way connect the second sensor also. Black this side, white in the middle, and red in the red this side. Okay. So this is red, the red will be this side. Okay. So these three ports where 15 volt and ground is written, 15 volt and ground is written, 15 volt and ground is written. These three you will use for SMPS supply. And if you need, in case you need to use fourth also, you can use this one, 15 volt and ground, here it is written inside. And these two sensor you have to use. This sensor is not used. Okay. And here you will connect the front panel, and okay, I think that's all. Okay, thank you. And this is the cable, and if this is the card. Okay. So the green type is odd number of card. So first you will use odd. The first card which is coming from after connecting to the board. Okay. The first card will be green type, and second card will be red type, that is even. Okay. Here it is on even card, even is written, but on odd card, odd is not written. So green one is odd, and red is black. So in the same way you have to connect it, like first odd, then even, then odd, then even, like that. Okay. So like this, first I have connected odd, then even, then odd, then even, like this. In the same way you have to connect. And while inserting into the module, take care that where on which side connector is there, the same side it should go. The connectors are on this side, so CL card should go this side. Okay. So both should meet together. Okay. So this was all about CPU board, and in front panel I will explain. And also you need to see that your board is coming to front side or back side. Any side your board may come according to your machine design and module direction. If it is coming this side, this way, okay, so your board will come back side. And if it is coming, you can also put your CPU board front side of the machine, and anywhere you put, either you put front side or back side, we can manage it from front panel. From display we can manage the first hook of the jacquard. I will tell about it. Okay.